My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bring you another sneaker pickup slash sneaker review, early review. Back on the early review after taking a one video hiatus. I did the Air Jordan 4. What was they called? The women's Air Jordan 4 Vivid Sulfur. Yeah, Vivid Sulfur. I did that. Just I think what, 2 days ago, something like that. It's Monday, yeah, like 2 days ago. I did it on Saturday. That was not an early review, and that will be at the end of this video. You can go check that out or whatever like that. Go check out all my videos. But before we get started, I forgot about this part. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Oh yeah, all that stuff probably be like next to me too, depending on how I edit this video, but it's usually next to me too. But anyway, back at you again with an early review. I don't know the initial drop for this, but of course, like I always do, that sun is crazy. But like I always do, I always give y'all some real legit information off of real legit sites once that's the back end of the video, so don't worry about that. But on my way to the spot so I can give y'all this review on this shoe that I heard about it, did not really see him yet, so this will be my first time seeing them in person. Well, no, I haven't even seen the pictures either, so someone just told me that a retro's coming in. I try to give y'all early reviews on retros. I should have gave y'all a review on the Bookers, the Devin Bookers, the Booker ones, the black colorway, but I don't know if y'all really want to know that. I mean, that's more performance based videos, and you know, I don't really wear my shoes when I first get them, so I really can't give y'all reviews for like performance stuff like that. But I feel like I'm talking too much. Am I talking too much? I'm talking too much. Anyway, yo, enjoy the video. I'll be back with some information. Okay. We got the Jordan box right here, the Air Jordan Flight Club in the middle, with the Jumpman in black in the center. This box like a off-white teal type. I said teal. Off-white cream type color. Description reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SE. SE stands for Special Edition. Sail black is the color. Size 8.5. This is a personal pair, but I'm telling you right now, I am not going to get this shoe. I repeat, I will not be getting the shoe. But I just wanted to give y'all a review from my personal, how would I say that? From a pair that would be mine if I wanted to get them. All right, straight to it. Got that cement print paper right there, nothing special. And okay, all right, okay. Let's get both of them out before I really say what I want to say. But okay. I do not know the name of this shoe. I repeat, I do not know the name of these. They come out with so many different Jordans. I don't really know the name of this one. So I will give y'all the name of it though. But right now we're just gonna say Oreo. We're gonna call them the reverse Oreos. We got the Air Jordan 5 reverse Oreo. Boom. Okay, so I did look up what the name would possibly be for these, and I saw white black. That's all I saw. So Air Jordan 5 white black. I said Oreo, but I mean that's what Oreos is, white black. But I mean, it's a plain shoe. Like I said, I would not be getting the shoe. Not my style at all. See the Jordan on the bottom. Got the clear, milky, translucent outer sole. Jordan underneath. Got the shark teeth right there, and the Oreo speckles like that, black with the white. All white upper. Got that sail cream laces. I do like the laces, but that's pretty much it. Black Jumpman on the tongue. They got that I forgot what Jordan 1 was doing this. I forgot, but you see the inside of the material. They doing this on the tongue. I don't like that. I forgot what Jordan did that, but it was a Jordan 1 though. Was it a comfort? I want to say it was a comfort, but I don't like that. All white midsole. This is just an all white upper, period. This netting is an off white, got that sail color. Already said sail laces, like I already said. Inside lining is black. And I mean, it's pretty much it. I mean, I don't like this shoe at all. I don't like the two different tones of the white. Definitely don't like that at all. Got this all white in the sail. I don't like that. Like, it looks dirty a little bit. I mean, not my cup of tea at all. And like I said, again, I would not be getting this. But I did want to give you an early review of this. I do not know the initial drop date, but I think it's going to be this weekend. When I get back to the house, I'll definitely tell y'all more information about it. But just want to give you an early look of this shoe. So what y'all think? Is this a copper drop? Not my cup of tea, but y'all might like it. Tell me if y'all gonna get this or not, or just let it sit. I tell you right now, don't worry about these. They will be sitting though. You don't gotta worry about trying to rush to the store and get these, or go to sneakers and nothing like that. These will be on the shelves. Like, I promise you. So if you're gonna see 1s and 4s on the shelf, you're definitely gonna see these. Anyway, let's get back to the house so I can give y'all some real information about it. And yeah, be right back. All right, we back. I'm home, as you can see. Time to give y'all some information. This is off of nicekicks.com. Shout out to nicekicks.com. It should be up right now on the screen next to me. I don't think it's either this way or that way. I don't know, but it's next to me. You can read along. And these are actually called the sale, which I kind of figured because all the sale, the laces and everything like that. So, the Air Jordan 5 sale releases summer 2024. All right, for 2024, Jordan Brand is set to expand its SE Special Edition range with the Air Jordan 5 sale colorway. The pair will sport a sail black light, Orewood, brown, and coconut milk color scheme and features a high-quality build. Sail holds down the base while coconut milk accents the translucent netting found on the panels and tongues, along with the outer sole. Lastly, black and white Orewood brown hits are seen throughout, including the Jumpman logo, inner lining, and midsole. And these drop April 13th, so that is this week. This is, you remember when I said previous that these are gonna sit? You don't gotta worry about it. These gonna sit because that's when the Kobe's drop, if I'm not mistaken. The 3 pairs of Kobe's dropped the 13th too. These are definitely gonna sit. That is the most worst day to release a shoe on Kobe. Is that Kobe Day? I think it is Kobe Day. But they released for $210. That's the retail price. Yeah, April 13th. Yeah, and they got some more images. If y'all want some more images, even though I gave y'all the rundown of the shoe. But yeah, I mean, all in all, I mean, and I want to be clear about this. Buy what you like what you buy. Pick this up. It's not an ugly shoe, just not a shoe for me. I'm not really. Oh yeah, I want to block that light. But yeah, just not a shoe for me. Not something that I need in the vote. You feel me? Like, not enough I need right now. But if you like it, I love it. So do it. Let me know in the comments below if that was a copper drop. I forgot to take a picture of that yesterday. To take a picture, I wanted to do the little copper drop. I'll probably do it tomorrow. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna pick up this shoe, if you want to leave it there, or you're gonna try to get it. If you think it's a good shoe, like I said, it's not an ugly shoe, but it's whatever. So like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, show me your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.